Hey, I need a new dress for the party tonight. Let's go shopping.
There is a big sale at the mall. Let's go shopping.
I still have some lucky money left from tech. Let's go shopping.
Hey, I'm bored. Let's go shopping.
Hey, this t-shirt is cool. Do you want to try it on?
I like it. What size is it?
Small, so it's gonna fit you nicely.
Yes, but I prefer medium or large because I want to wear loose, more comfortable.
There.
Where did you find it?
Over there.
Hey Liz, this dress is cute. It's made for you.
Wow, I love it. Does it come in another color though?
This one.
Yes. Yeah. Let's hit the fitting room.
Two hours later.
I'll take these, please.
Me too.